Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to print random numbers in Python. So let's get started. So open your code. First you have to import the random class here. Just give import random, and now it's very simple. Just give print, call the class random dot random integer random from the range. You give I want it from 0 to let me keep 9 first. So now let me run this. So give py try.py, hit enter. So you got a random number between 0 to 9. So now I will increase this till 99. So we will get any one random integer in between 0 to 100. So you got 65. So here you can use this as a token generating thing for your applications. So I'll show you here how you can use this in other ways. There's a simple thing like you can make a variable called password. Let's keep this is just for increasing your knowledge, password, and just give here 452 value. So now we want to crack this password without the user telling it. So we'll just keep generating random numbers until we get the password matched here. So you just give while 1, and don't forget the colon here, colon if the here first you have to store this value. So copy this and paste it here. So let's give rand variable. So the random number, it will get stored here. So here we have 3 digit. So let us keep till 999 or here. So if this random variable rand variable is equal to, we'll just check if it is equal to our password variable. If it is equal, you have to just break and print the answer. So we'll just give here print rand. Okay, so now let us test it. So run the file, and you see you got your 452 as the answer. So now to check if this is printing correctly or no, just give a print statement here, print rand, that variable name. So now let us increase this length. Let me keep 6 by 8 for another one. So this has 3 6 7 integers, 7, I mean the length is 7. So let us make this also till 7. So it is hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 10 lakhs or 1 million in the Roman counting. So now let us run this, and you see it will keep generating numbers until it matches this same password. So here it's too big, so it may take any time. It's not defined, it can come at any time. So you try this in a small length, it will be good and you get the output fast. So let us try with a smaller one. This is taking too long. So let us keep it 5 digits and make this also as 5. Yes. So now let us check the last one, which will print and stop. That will be our password here. Come on. You cannot use these things for trying on other website with APIs and all, because they'll have limits over there. If 3 or 5 attempts and it is not logged in, the user will be banned. So this is just for this trial and learning purpose. So you cannot use this anywhere in real life. This will just enhance your knowledge in this. So it's taking a lot of time. Let us leave it here. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you learned something today by how to use random numbers This can be used for generating tokens for your users in your applications. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.